Isaiah.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going, I think.
And what are we doing today?
Today, we are rolling fenders.
Oh boy.
Basically, the reason we're doing this is because there is still a very minute amount of scrub, which I also feel like is partial in this wheel well as well. But we're going to add some camber later. That's going to be a different video. But just to eliminate any possible fender scrub, we're going to go ahead and roll the fenders, as well as we're doing this before painting, since I have everything already sanded. I want to roll the fenders, that way I don't have to do it later and worry about the paint. So we're just going to do it now. I rolled that one already. A little bit, I guess. It's good enough. I don't care. Courtney's going to be rolling the back after I show her how it works. Basically, this is got a couple different adjustments on it. There's this one that controls the overall height of the roller, like that. And then there's another knob here that controls the angle of the roller. It goes like this. And then there is this thing that actually pivots it this way and back forwards. So what you want to do is kind of have it at contact, start pushing on it a bunch, rolling it out slowly, and then you'll adjust it and then continue rolling it. And it takes some time and practice, but I think it will be fine. Yes. I think that's the best it's going to get, really.
Okay.
For what we're just trying to do, which is just kind of roll the lip inwards a little bit.
Yeah.
Now I can go back and sand over everything. So, the main purpose of this was just to kind of bend this little area inwards a little bit, gain just a little bit more clearance. And if we add camber to the wheels, that will also give a little bit more clearance as far as the fenders are concerned. And yeah.
Okay.
So, I guess we can do it before and after, since now I showed how to roll it.
Okay.
And let's go look at the other side.
Ugh. Oh god.
Oh god.
I almost said my legs were not made for this.
Okay. So this, relatively flush. It's got this lip, 90 degrees all the way around. Back to the other side. A little bit less flush. It's not so 90 degrees, it pokes out just a little bit. And this lip comes in and almost flush back against the inside of it.
Yes.
So it helps a little bit. Some people like it. I don't know. You can people do it with other tools. I've seen people do it with a bat and roll it around. That's
Seems really dumb.
Really ghetto. It works. I've seen it work. Okay, one more thing we need to do in the video. Besides roll the fenders, Courtney's gonna remove these emblems.
What?
Yep.
Why?
These need to get removed because I hate emblems, for one. And two, we have to sand
As you can
around it
You
so
can tell.
it's perfect. And we're not gonna put them back on because emblems are dumb. So
Once
how do you
again.
want to do this? You want to do it properly or improperly?
How did you do yours?
I used a heat gun and some string and kind of pried it off and then got the glue off.
Huh.
Or we just take a screwdriver and wedge it in there and pop it off because we're going to sand it anyways.
Let's go with the screwdriver.
Screwdriver it is.
Alright. This is gonna end badly probably, but
Okay. Screwdrivers and pry bar. Whatever you want to use. Got a little screwdriver, got a big screwdriver.
tender ones.
Yes.
I don't want to use the tender ones, but I like that they exist.
Okay. Like I said, the proper way of doing this is to use a heat gun if you're not painting it. This way you can preserve the paint like I did on the Versa. Looks fine. Use a heat gun and some dental floss and you can kind of wedge around the emblem and then you gently pry it off. And then the glue you have to heat up and then kind of wipe off or use adhesive remover.
Or
Yes, I'm saying if they weren't painting it and didn't want to scratch the shit out of the paint. But this is much faster.
yes.
Oh, that's what we need. We'll glue it back on just like that.
I like it actually.
We'll get the E too. Oh, the E is going to be problematic.
Yep. I didn't know these came off so easily.
Yeah, they're just stick-on. I had to add them on the dealer if it had like a... When I worked at Volkswagen, I had to add on. Yep, that one too.
Okay.
Hondas are a little bit more difficult because they actually have little nuts on the back of them, but I don't think that emblem should. Yeah, it's fine. Just like that. Excellent. Perfect. That's how we'll put it back on.
I like it.
The one on the hood just fell off as I was sanding. It just came right off. It's gone.
Well.
Okay. You want to do the outro? Tell people what to do. You think they know what to do?
I mean, I'll hold the camera while you do the outro. Because
Nope.
my hair is coming.
That's okay. It's there. It's existing.
My hair is existing.
Yep.
Alright guys, like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you want.
Yep.
Yeah.
See you in the next video. We are painting the Echo. We are adding camber to the Echo. We're going to add some lights, LED rice, and a little bit more
Underglow.
regular maintenance as well. There's one more. There's some headlight stuff we got to do.
This thing's gonna be rice as hell.
Oh, it's glorious. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, blah, blah, blah.